In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the process of playing Helldivers 2 using a controller. Setting up your controller for this game is straightforward, so make sure to follow along carefully. First and foremost, I'll demonstrate how to easily configure any type of controller you have available. Whether it's a PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, or a generic controller, as long as it can connect to your PC and is recognized properly, you're good to go. However, it's important to note that this method requires running the game through Steam. Steam offers a feature called Steam Input, which automatically configures controllers for games launched through the Steam platform. So ensure you launch Helldivers 2 via Steam to take advantage of this functionality. Once you've done that, you may notice a pop-up indicating that your controller is mostly playable. To proceed, simply connect your controller to your PC and then right-click on Helldivers 2 in your Steam library. Select Properties and navigate to the Controller tab. Here, make sure that Steam Input is enabled for all types of controllers, including Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, and generic ones. Once Steam Input is enabled, you can access the controller configurator by clicking on the corresponding button. Within the configurator, you'll find various options, including support information, layouts, and customization settings. You can browse through recommended layouts provided by the developers, create your own custom layout using templates, or explore community layouts. Keep in mind that if you're watching this video shortly after the game's release, there may not be any community layouts available yet. After configuring your desired layout, Steam Input will automatically apply the changes and set up your controller accordingly. You can then return to the game, and you'll notice that all button prompts and inputs are tailored to your controller configuration. With everything set up seamlessly, you can dive back into the action without worrying about any control issues. I trust that this guide has been helpful in enabling you to enjoy Helldivers 2 with your preferred controller setup. If you found this video useful, don't forget to show your support by leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.